In this video, we will learn how to register for HackTropica 2026 from scratch. So, first of all, you need to visit hacktropica.xyz. I am repeating hacktropica.xyz. After that, on a scrolling of a bit, you will see a button called Register on Devfolio. For the video, I am assuming that you don't have any account on Devfolio, so I am showing from scratch. First of all, you need to scroll to the Devfolio overview page and click on the Apply Now button. The button is Apply Now. Make sure to check the button properly. After that, you will be redirected to a pop-up to continue with your Google. I will suggest go with it because it is the easiest OAuth flow. After logging in with your email ID, you will be given a small onboarding form containing some basic details. Just fill it up properly and then click on continue. You have to perform a small captcha, so just do it and then click on verify. It will verify your profile and your Devfolio account is created. After that, you can directly jump into the application process thoroughly. First of all, check the steps very carefully. First of all, there is a about you section. You just need to click here. If you are first time in Devfolio, you have to fill it manually. In the readme section, make sure to paste your profile information properly. This is also going to be a very vital step in your review of and approval. So make sure to fill it up properly. You can also make it markdown supported by bold and italics. After that, you will edit this and make sure to take a preview. After that, you have to choose your gender and then you have to choose your t-shirt size, which will be for us to track your requirements, and then click on save. And also you can take a reference of the size chart. Click on save and then move to the experience section. In the experience section, you have to fill up your educational information, your skills, your domain of expertise, and your technical background. Then click on links. Here you have to add your GitHub and LinkedIn mandatorily. This is the main parameter to get yourself verified and reviewed during HackTropica. This is the selection criteria, so make sure to save it. Then in the education, you have to choose your degree type, bachelor's, master's, whatever. You have to choose your college, just type 3 letters of it and the system will suggest the college name and you have to just click. And then you have to choose your fields and some very simple and manual details of your education. Just choose it properly and once again you have to click on save. Make sure to update each and every information properly. After saving the data, there is a contact section where you have to put on your mobile number, your city of living, and obviously one emergency contact name which is required for us to contact you in some emergencies. Make sure to fill it up properly. And I would suggest give your guardian's contact number for any kind of discrepancy. If it occurs, we can connect with him or her. After that, there are some additional questions which are very much mandatory to get yourself admitted into HackTropica. There you have to put your WhatsApp number, make sure to properly recheck that, and you have to give your idea details. Though it's an optional field, but we suggest all the teams to paste your idea properly. It should be in plain text and do not use 100% chat GPT for doing it. After uploading this, you have to mandatorily choose for your track. Though you can apply for multiple tracks, but make sure to choose it properly because we are very track specific team choosing. After that, you have to choose your food preference and finally, you have to join our Discord server. And after that, you have to choose some level of study and then you have to agree to the MLH code of conduct because you are compelled to do so. Some MLH conducts are very much mandatory for you. So make sure to check box each and everything. But now the most interesting part begins. We are running a GitHub start drive in which you have to start one GitHub repo. Open up the repo, start it, take a screenshot. Make sure to follow these steps. Repo opening, starting the repository, clicking a screenshot. This is the main steps. After that, after doing all the starts, you are being redirected to a Google form. You have to open up the Google form and you have to fill it properly. You have to fill the details very carefully because it is the main thing to get yourself into HackTropica. You are compelled to do so. After that, you can see the click on this link to register. You have to click the link and you have to connect your GitHub, which will help us to track. After doing all these things and filling up the form, there is a field called referred by community. You have to enter the name of HackTropica mandatorily. Carefully check the spelling HackTropica. After entering this, you can submit the form. And similarly, you will get 3 checkboxes of 3 GitHub stars. Make sure you are starting the GitHub and uploading the proper URL and screenshot. Make sure to take the screenshot with your user ID, your user profile avatar, which will help us to track. Failing to do so will lead you to complete disqualification from the event. You have to start all the repositories, take screenshot, and then fill up the Google form. Also, we are giving away two, 3 headphones as our prizes. So make sure to go to the Rising portal. The URL is attached in the Devfolio, and upload your registration process. Complete it. Once again, fill up the form after doing the registration in Rising portal, and then fill up the Google form. Write all your details over there, and make sure in the referred by community section you are writing HackTropica once again. You have to write this very much properly, but do not try to make us bluffed. Make sure you are properly filling up all the informations which are given here. You have to make an account in Rising and you have to register for the bootcamp. Finally, after doing all these steps, you have to click on save. After that, you will see a section of application. Make sure you have to apply as a team. For this video, I am applying solo, but keep in mind Hacktropica's minimum team length is 2. So you have to be a team of 2. So you have to apply as a team. After clicking on apply as a team or apply as solo, you have to click on the code of conduct, and then you have to submit the application, and it's done. Your registration is completed for Hacktropica. I hope we all will see you in Hacktropica.